Officer Peterson, please report.
All right, everyone, need your attention.
Peterson,
Operators just received a 911 call from an individual within an apartment complex in San Uriel this morning, detailing a brewing hostage situation. It seems that Michael Williams has barricaded himself in his apartment along with his brother DeMarcus. He also shot and killed his mother, Cassandra Williams. The call was brief, but gave us information regarding his potential mental state.
Has anyone tried to regain contact with Michael?
The call bounced when attempted, and calls from negotiators outside have fallen on deaf ears. It sounds like Michael may be firing a weapon inside his room, and we've received multiple reports of gunfire from other individuals within the complex. The building has a single entry through the main atrium. There's also a second entry point through a fire escape nearby, which should allow quick access to the other levels without exposure to your teams within the atrium. The watch commander is on scene and has patrol holding perimeter positions. Thames is staging at the command post. Currently, they're awaiting our arrival to make entry, as the situation has been deemed dangerous, given no communication can be established.
Do we know of any other threats within this space?
Michael's apartment is number 14, and so far we've managed to confirm that rooms 16, 11, and 12 are all currently inhabited but closed off. Those residents have either been evacuated or are sheltering in place. However, we were unable to make contact with apartments 13 and 15, both of which are under the ownership of Michael Williams at this time. It is unknown if he is still barricaded with his family in 14 or has moved into one of the other rooms to ambush. We are not aware of any other threats. It seems to just be one guy. All right, let's roll.
Right with you.
Talk to Element. Entry team. Status of the active shooter threat is currently unknown. Move in and secure the area quickly.
Get down! Make him secure. Gaining compliance. Evidence secure. Ready. Talk. Suspect in custody. Ready for transport.
Talk reporting. Roger, entry team.
Down on your knees, hands up! We got a suspect here in need of medical attention.
Talk reporting. Copy. Clean house. We'll take them out.
Good to go. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you do or say can be used against you in a court of law. Ready to go.
I got dogs on the
Ready to go.
Talk to entry team.
Dynamic movement.
Roger.
Move
Trailers inbound.
He's over here, we need help.
Bring hands in the air! Empty over here. No contact. I got it. Copy. Look clear over here, boss. Have any weapons on you? What he's got to do. Civilian ready to go. Hands up! Do it now! Fall in behind me.
Got your back.
All teams, move in and clear. Getting into place. Put your fucking hands up! Move out, even think about it! Opening on the left. Good here. Hello, CD. Suspect ready to go.
Element to talk.
Suspect good to go.
Talk reporting. Roger, entry team. Great work. Keep going.
Oh, God.
Hands up!
You real?
We're gonna get you out of here.
Ow!
Lead the talk. One civilian detained.
This is Talk. Roger, entry team. Great work. Keep going.
Open it and clear it with a flash. Knowledge.
Flash out. Opening on the right. Police, don't move!
Looks clear over here, boss. Moving in!
Opening on the left.
Nothing here, sir.
Down it, don't move!
Looks clear over here, boss. Calm down.
You can't make me talk.
Entry team.
Down on your...
Suspect in custody. Compliant.
This is Talk. Great work, entry team. Keep it up.
On me.
Over here, help us!
You're gonna be okay.
Get out of here!
Lead the talk. We have an individual in custody. Secure him.
Talk to entry team. Copy, entry team. Notifying trailers.
You're safe. They're
Element
good.
to talk.
Entry team to top.
Talk to entry team. Great work, entry team. Keep it up.
Put a charge on the door. Clear with CS. Good to go. Cover your ears, boys. Setting it now.
I'm going!
Got an opening on the right. Opening on the right. Got him.
Put your hands up!
Ready. Compliant. Okay.
Talk to element. Good to go. Copy. Move on. Good to go.
You're under arrest. Do not move.
Talk to element. Roger that. Trailers incoming. Proceed with caution. Opening on the right. I got nothing here. I got nothing here.
Breath. I got nothing here.
Civilian ready to go. Civilian good to go.
Talk reporting. Great work, entry team. Keep it up.
Element of talk. Bagging.
Waiting on you, sir.
Talk. Evidence bagged. Search and secure.
10-4. Talk to entry team. Copy that. Put him on safe and let him hang. Great job.